Hi and welcome to Experta, the comprehensive maintenance and monitoring cloud-based software for your entire SQL Server environment. My name is Ray Maor and I'm the head of research and development. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a new maintenance backup plan template for your SQL servers. Step 1. Access the maintenance and backup section. First, log into Experta and navigate to Settings, Maintenance and Backup. Ensure you're on the Templates tab. From here, you can create new templates or customize existing ones for specific servers. Step 2. Select or create a template. Choose an existing template or create a new one. Within a template, you can either enable or disable backup rules or create a new backup rule. By default, the backup rule includes both full and log backups, but these settings can be modified as needed. Step 3. Define database scope. The first configuration step involves selecting the databases to include in the backup rule. At the template level, you can only choose from a predefined database group. If you want to specify individual databases on a particular server, you'll need to create a custom maintenance rule instead. Within the template, you can also specify which associated servers should be included or excluded from the rule. By default, all servers that are attached to the template are included unless specified otherwise. Step 4. Edit the backup rule. Click the Edit Rule button to fine-tune the backup rule configurations. You can navigate through the Setup wizard by pressing Next, keeping default values where appropriate, or modifying settings as needed. In this step, select the backup types to be included in the plan: full, differential, or log. Each selection generates a corresponding configuration tab, offering maximum flexibility. Main options: configure critical settings such as backup directory, automatic backup cleanup time to optimize storage usage, or database execution order. Additional options will enable advanced features like compression, copy-only backups, media formatting, custom descriptions, and more. Directory and file structure will allow you to define the file naming convention for your backups. Additional directory structure options are available in the global settings. Configure a mirror directory to duplicate backups, providing additional redundancy. Assign a schedule for each backup type. You can choose from daily, weekly, or monthly. Step 5. Save and synchronize. After reviewing the rule summary, click Save to exit the rule editor. Then click Save again to finalize the backup plan template and synchronize it all across associated servers. A corresponding SQL Server job will be created on all linked servers to automate the backup process. For a deeper understanding of other maintenance rules, watch the Experta Maintenance Plans overview video.